If you're a voter in the 2024 US election, you need to hear this. Russian disinformation is targeting you. This year, a network called Storm 1516, linked to the infamous Internet Research Agency, is actively trying to sway the 2024 US presidential election. Their goal? To manipulate public opinion and influence the outcome in favor of Donald Trump. Storm 1516 is spreading false narratives through social media influencers, fake news websites, and even deep-fake videos. They've targeted key political figures like Vice President Kamala Harris and Minnesota Governor Tim Walz with fake stories and baseless claims. One false allegation of sexual assault against Governor Walz gained traction despite being debunked. US intelligence agencies are on high alert and working tirelessly to counteract these efforts. The government is exposing foreign interference attempts, bolstering election security, and educating the public about disinformation tactics. But the threat persists. Remember, stay vigilant, verify your sources, think critically, and don't let foreign influence shape your vote. The integrity of our election depends on it.